So we are unboxing Oppo
Oppo
Reno
Reno 10x zoom.
10x zoom. प्लीज़ इसी के पीछे नोट 9 जोड़ा गया है, ध्यान दीजिए इस फ़ोन के ऊपर.
This phone is replacing Note 9.
Samsung Note 9. Like, could you
Samsung
just
Note 9.
imagine? ये पेन ही खराब कर लो अब. क्या तुमने सोचा
This
था
phone
गुआवस
comes
का
with
पेन इसलिए काम आएगा?
60x zoom. Here we go. We're almost there, people. Have patience. Alrighty.
Dun, dun, dun. Okay, this person doesn't know how to unbox a phone, so please excuse him.
There you go. How do we take it out? Oh. There you go, people. What is it?
Okay, so this is Oppo 10x Reno 10x zoom.
Whoa! This
Look
metallic
at the
finish,
shine.
the gloss, the metallic finish, the ocean green color. Wow, this is beauty.
We got this from Flipkart.
Now we'll turn it on. It's not turning on. Ah, it is turning on. So what else do we have in this box? The accessories, because it does not come with your 3.5mm jack, so we're expecting. Okay, let's set it up first. Continue. We'll do this later. Continue. What do we do with this? Accept. Skip. Continue. Let's import data. We'll do that later, no?
Yeah. So how do we go back?
Go back. We can go back here, but I don't know if
Okay.
I'll be able to see the screen again.
No, you might not be able to unless you don't set up this phone.
Yeah, let's
we have
close
these
the video
buttons.
then. Next, beef it.
Accessories. So we have got a phone cover also.
Oh,
Oppo वाले
we
बहुत
have phone
मेहरबान
cover.
है.
Okay, fantastic. Look at that. It totally hides the beauty of the phone. What the hell? It was supposed to be a transparent cover. Why will I use this?
Look at these earphones. They look so pretty.
Whoa. There you go.
Look at that person's excitement. The person who just got shaved today. He's giving us those.
Oh. So these are your headphones. These have probably Type C.
It is a probability type C.
Yeah, they have Type C plug to go for that. Yeah, that's how they go in your charging port.
Great.
So you cannot listen to your headphones while your phone is charging. But that's okay. Apple did that 3 years back. Even
What is
Note
this?
10 is coming without this.
What is this?
Earbuds.
Okay.
I think we're done.
Great.
This is the
Yay.
charger.
Would you like to clap?
This is charger. Viewers, you can clap.
I cannot clap because I'm holding a phone in my
Viewers.
viewers. अच्छा viewers. Yay. Okay, bye.
2-4 लाख तो देखेंगे उसको.